Should I return in TSB? I still got the movie, oh. Maybe I just return sometimes. Maybe upload. No, I still got it. And I can still play it. So maybe I just return sometimes and upload it. Um, let me see. Let me see if I still got the movies in Blade Master or Atomic Samurai. No, this is used to be my main. Wait, let me find the dummy. Um, where is it? Oh, there you go. Let me kill it with a wall combo. Um, let's try if I know the combo. Um, there. Like this, and then pinpoint, dash, then down slam. What the? Yeah, I still got it. Yeah. 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 Okay, I got it. So, do you want me to return or not? Maybe a return if Santino update, or if um if I if my old account has been returned. Yeah, wait. Yeah. What do you guys think? Should I return or not? Should I return or not? Yeah, that's all. Bye bye.